2023 Kubota M5660SUHD, stock number 7987, 288 hours, priced at $40,450. The SU models are more of our plain Jane, no bells and whistles, but a great tractor.
It's got a left-handed shuttle shift. You can lift well over 2,000 pounds, which is a big deal for like moving round bales in our area. It's comes standard with one rear remote. It's a very clean tractor. This is another one where the detail guy parked it on the wrong side of the lot.
Yep.
Because it looked that nice. And it's a current model for Kubota. Kubota still makes this tractor. We sell quite a few of them. You can put the big bucket on it. It's the first tractor that has that big tractor feel, but it has a small footprint.
Correct.
Yeah, because it's a shuttle shift. This has got the big rear tires, nice big front tires. Yeah, skid steer style quick attach, so you can run anything from a skid steer on this thing. And a new one, it's almost $45,000. So you're saving a good chunk of change on this with only 200 hours, and it's already had the 250-hour service. So you're saving that money as well. And you can get the good financing rate like you can on the used ones on this at the lower interest, because it was at a Kubota dealer used program.
These are great tractors. And it's got bioballast in the rear tires. And I actually just delivered one of these to a ferry terminal, and I've never got more attention in my life than having a Kubota M series sitting in line at the ferry.
You think it was the tractor. I think it was your hair.
No. It was the tractor.
Okay.
People were pumped up. Everybody came and gathered around to look at it. Yeah.
If you're looking for something easy, simple, no frills, just good, solid workhorse tractor, come see this 2023 Kubota M5660SUHD. Number one on our list today, stock number 79987, priced for $40,450.